Bro, I need a silencer.
You think?
I need a silencer. Bro, that is way too loud. I don't know if he, I don't know if it does justice on the camera, but
No codes.
no codes.
Nope.
Sheesh!
Let's make sure our E85 is going. Okay, we're gonna check our E85 right now.
Okay. What's up, Daddy?
What's going on, bro?
Thank you for coming out. I appreciate it.
Anytime, man. Anytime. How's it going, bro?
Up the hood. As you guys probably figured, I invited Alan over here just to copy his manifold connection because I'm having troubles because this is very confusing. Look at that.
It is.
Engine bay. This engine bay is crazy. Look at this, all of these titanium pipings, huh?
It looks so good.
Wait, you're on speed density?
Yep.
Ah, okay. That's why it doesn't have a map no more.
GST Motorsports, yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Thanks, bro.
So this.
I have my STI for about 2 years. I just got tuned last.
Look at this big ass blow off valve. It's blow off valve, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tile?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me, I have the Turbo Smart.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
It's all good, bro.
little tiny baby.
It's all good. Yeah. Still gonna reach 400. That was my main goal.
It's nice though.
170.
It's,
It's still nice, man.
yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. Okay, baller. Cool. I invited people for moral support. You know, it's so nice to have like friends around you while you're working on the car.
Just happy.
What's up, Buggy?
Modify it too much. I mean, it's not too much. I just finished the Evo. So.
Turbo Smart. It's pretty much the same, huh?
Yes, sir. It's the same.
Uh-huh.
It's just yours is more VOB. This is dual.
Uh-huh.
So VOB and diverted.
Damn, okay.
So it'll blow.
So, what does this do?
It'll still blow, but I'm not on a low boost. I'm not losing any boost at all.
Okay.
It just stays consistent.
Was it louder? Does it sound louder? Yeah, because I heard this is already loud, but if you put this, probably it's like more, whistle more.
It has more a different tone.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so it's tone wise different.
Nice.
But essentially it's the same thing. It'll blow by.
Well, at least I can say I have a GTR part of my car. Alright guys, a little update.
I have plans in my mind to take
Probably like 30 more %. Almost done. Almost done. Just gotta cut this wire. And then thermal cooler, downpipe, and then air intake. We are pretty much done.
Dollar menu.
Alright guys, it is the second day. Woo! Look at that. It's almost done. It's almost done. I've been saying that for the past 4 days. Oh, 5 days actually. Yeah, so as you guys can see, front mount intercooler is almost on. I just had to take off all of these crash rails on this side. You know, from the reference video of Smedia. Shout out to my guy Tanner from Smedia. Just had to take this off, I guess. Had to take this off, this crash rail right here, and then hopefully I'm done. Shout outs to the boys Brian and Alan for showing up. You know, they don't have to do anything and just be there and like, you know, moral support. Let's work on it. Let's try to finish it today so I can bring the STI to Brandon's garage so we can do the clutch. I'm just so excited just to get her running because it's been so long. It's been so long. 1 week, guys. 1 week. Downpipe. Auto sensor. Over there. Over there. There. So if it's shorted out, it will switch it.
Yep.
With this fuse. That's the purpose of it. So it's more like safety.
So you don't catch on fire.
Just so it won't catch on fire.
And there doesn't have to be another fucking STI in the graveyard.
Wait. If it happens though, is it done?
Oh yeah. Are you serious?
Yeah. Really?
Yeah. The car catches on fire?
Oh no. But I'm saying like.
Oh no.
Like if it's shorted out.
If that happens, you buy a 10-cent fuse and you're done.
Okay.
That's it.
For sure. Alright guys, first ever start off in like what? 1 week?
It's gonna be really loud.
Yeah. Alright, let's hear the catless downpipes. Bro, I need a silencer.
You think?
I need a silencer. Bro, that is way too loud. I don't know if I don't know if it does justice on the camera, but
No codes.
no codes.
Nope.
Sheesh!
Let's make sure our E85 is going. Okay, we're gonna check our E85 right now.
Crazy cold start.
That cold start's wild.
I know.
Holy shit.
Oh gosh. Good job, Brandon. Sheesh! We finally got her running. I mean, we finally got her started up with the base lap. Regardless, we had the cars running, so we're probably just gonna drive this car tomorrow to his house so we can do the clutch. And then stage 3 clutch?
Right? Stage 2 or 3?
Stage 2, yeah. Just stage 2.
And
Stage 2 clutch and flywheel is gonna be done on his house, and cylinder for a cooling mod, right? Yeah, because it's easier to do it without the trans, so might as well.
I'm gonna be there anyways.
So yeah, almost there. This is for real, almost there. I've been saying that for like the past 4 days. Alright guys, first time in 1 week that the car is outside of the garage. Look at her. Alright, so we're gonna drive to Brandon's house to maybe fix the codes, because I have a little codes, and I don't know why my E85 sensor is reading, but I don't have an E85. So we're gonna drive over there, and then we're gonna change the clutch and figure out everything from there. we are changing the clutch. So this is my clutch right here. Clutch and flywheel. My power goals. This is pretty essential. There. Buy a Subaru, they say. It's fun, they say.
This is what starts your car. See the teeth?
Yeah.
That's what hits your flywheel and spins it. You got the quote?